And that's it for Gulp. So we will be using Gulp in the coming section, the last section on module loading. I'll show you guys how to incorporate your different Gulp files with the different module loaders we're going to take a look at. I just really want to encourage people who might not have spent time thinking about their build process to really think about their build process. Think about what can be automated. You've already seen the power of Gulp and how easy it is to define your tasks and dependencies and all that fun stuff. And you've already gotten a taste of the massive amount of plugins available. So I really encourage people to actually look at their build pipeline and start to consider what can be automated. What can we make the computer do that we don't have to? And I think that's the whole point of Gulp. So yeah, even and get used to the syntax. Please get used to it. Even if you're working on a small project, being able to hash out a quick Gulp file when you're putting together a toy project will still significantly save you a lot of time in the long run, especially with features like watching and live reloading. So that's it. We've looked at the internals of Gulp. We've looked at its public API, all of the features, the compared 3 and 4, and I think we're ready to move on to module loading, which I personally find very, very, very awesome. So we'll see you guys there.